what we have here is Adobe Fuse, and we can design your own character. Here's one character you can make. You can adjust some of the clothing, and the clothing actually fits the character, whatever character you have, which is pretty sweet. I like that. And once we do that, we upload it into Unity. We upload into Unity, which looks something like this here. And what I'll do is play. And now what we have is a playable semi-game. Now what we have here, we're going with Cyberpunk. And here's the same character we had in Adobe Fuse that's running around. She can jump, she can crouch and move. This is using the standard computer keyboard, WSAD, C for crouch and jump. And we have a background image going in there. So this will be a pretty fun game. And remember, you can put in any character you want. And then we'll put some puzzles into this game. I think it'll be pretty fun.